All right, everyone. So we're back. So I got the primer on. My days off are again, and yeah. I'm gonna just sand this down the primer with a really fine sander, like a 220. So then before I apply like the top coat or whatever. So we're just gonna do that real quick. I don't know how much you need to see of this, but just gonna start. So just looking at this, you want to go pretty easy on this, I'm thinking. Otherwise, you're going to take all your primer off. There was one spot here that needs to get sanded a little bit more. Everything else is just for that little bit. It looks like it's made it like pretty smooth. There's a little bit here. I'm gonna try and sand real quick. Okay, I think I'm gonna call that good enough. Little point right there, I might have took all the primer off because that was like a high point and I kept trying to get this low point here. So, but anyway, I'm gonna just wash this off with soap and water, and then I'm gonna do the spray paint. So be careful when you're doing when you're sanding the primer, I think. I was using a 220 sandpaper grit, but it still took that stuff off really quick, so just be careful of that. So I'm gonna soap and water this, and then I'll show you spray painting it, I guess, the final coat, I guess. So, all right, we'll be back. Thanks for watching.